Hi everyone, it's me, Charlie. Hi everyone, it's me, Charlie. Savannah.
It's me, Savannah.
And me.
Yeah, we're just watching a little movie of Sonic the Hedgehog, right, Savannah?
Yep.
See guys, look at this. Look at the TV. It's Sonic the Hedgehog.
Charlie, you can't start the video yet. I have to do my papers.
Oh. Okay. Well, guys, we're just gonna talk here. Go check out Kayla's YouTube channel.
It's called I Have 3.
Guys, don't check out Kayla's YouTube channel. It's so boring.
She's on.
Hey, Google. Say hi to the kids.
Hey, Google.
Say hi to the kids.
Google.
Hey, Google. Say hi to the kids.
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the mic's back on.
Hey, Google.
Hey, Google. Say hi to the kids.
Sorry, I don't understand.
What the heck? Yeah, guys, look at that.
Google.
It's
Hey,
Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah, we were watching a little bit of YouTube. Say hi to the kids.
Hi there.
I knew that she would do that. She listens to her master, not
Guys, say hi. Thank you.
By the way, everybody, Google Assistant is my Google Assistant.
Yeah.
She's mine. I got her for Christmas last year.
Guys, here it is. Google. Turn on Frosty the Snowman.
Google. Hey, Google. Google.
Hey, Google. Turn on the Frosty the Snowman song.
Let me go. I said that. Yeah. Hey, Google. Can you play the Frosty the Snowman song?
Asking Pandora to play some music.
That's how it goes.
Yeah. Play Frozen 2. Hey, Google. Hey, Google.
What kind of music is this?
Frosty the Snowman.
It doesn't feel like the original song.
This is not Frosty the Snowman.
I like it.
Yeah, guys, see this?
Hey, Google. Can you turn off Pandora?
Turn on Frosty the Snowman.
No, Charlie. She'll turn on Pandora. Okay, she turned it.
Yeah, guys, what was that?
Your Google Assistant's pretty good.
I love her.
Yeah, I like.
Guys, look at this. It's Sonic the Hedgehog. Full movie. Look. Sonic the Hedgehog. 2020.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Guys, did you read that? Just look at this.
Sonic the Hedgehog 2020 version of the Town Sense Full
Look, no,
HD.
they can read it themselves.
I'm going to write down my cards and put them in this bucket.
I accidentally said her name.
Oh, it's okay. When you don't say anything else but her name, she's just like, just don't say anything.
Yeah. It's just a Google person. She answers questions. Have you told Google the answers though?
I haven't turned on my Google Assistant since.
Yeah, we haven't heard Google Assistant since Christmas.
And guess what? I might get a Google Assistant.
Yeah.
It's Christmas. No. I love Frozen, which Santa gave me a Frozen 2 book and I came with a Google Assistant so she can read the book for me.
Yeah, Savannah, we need to talk to the kids. You're not doing it.
All right. Okay, everybody. If you guys don't know what these cards are for that I'm making, it's for a challenge that we're doing on the next video.
Well,
Yeah. And it's happening today. Right, Charlie?
Yeah, we're gonna do this.
After this video,
Guys,
we'll be making this.
Before we start it, we're gonna tell you guys a secret. We're doing a challenge video today, and it's a secret one.
My
Guys,
brother's been with me my whole entire life. Actually,
guys,
no.
not until Savannah's done doing this, we're gonna tell you the secret challenge, right?
yeah. Because Google.
Here, guys.
It's pretty good at answering questions. Yeah.
Guys, look at Sonic's mouth.
I think
Look at that mouth. Guys, look at this mouth. Guys, look at this mouth.
Hey.
Can you talk like me?
Look at this mouth, guys.
Try.
Hello.
Hey, Google. Hey, Google.
Hey, Google.
Say something.
Can you beatbox?
I've been waiting for you to ask.
Google. Can you beatbox boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats?
Hey, Google.
Google. Can you beatbox boots and cats?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Are you
Boots
kidding?
and cats and boots 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 and cats. I can do this all day. Cats and boots and cats and boots and
No,
cats
Siri
and
does
boots
that.
and cats and boots. Yeah, that's actually kind of funny.
Guys, you want to watch a little bit of Sonic the Hedgehog?
Yeah, Google. What a shame, Google.
Is that annoying orange?
Who, me?
Google. Google. Google.
You can't watch it.
Google.
Google.
Hey, Google.
Google.
Can you beatbox?
Cats and boots and cats and boots.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Did I do that? Yes. Okay. Google. Google. Hey, Google. Google. Can you beatbox?
I've been practicing for this moment.
Guys, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
I can beatbox.
Guys, we remembered you guys been waiting to watch our channel, right, guys?
Boots and cats and 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 boots and cats. I can do this all day.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. Guys, look at that mouth. Guys, look at that mouth.
Hey guys, we're gonna start a band.
Cats and boots and cats and
Try
boots.
first. Try set up the camera first.
Okay. Cats and boots and cats and boots.
No, Charlie.
Nah,
Not there.
not there. I don't think it is.
Where could my little tablet go? Guys, look at these movies we have. There's a lot.
Oh, Charlie, I just figured out what.
Where?
We can set it. We can set the tablet right here. And I'll sit down.
Guys, look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling. Or we could do this.
Charlie, you stand in the
Cats and boots, cats and boots, cats and boots.
No, we're all gonna go back here.
Fine.
Cats and boots, Charlie.
Cats and boots.
No, Charlie, no.
I want to be next to Caleb.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. What?
I can't see.
Just
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. No.
Okay, let's just go through this.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and
take it upstairs. You're being loud.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get back to writing my stuff. Bye.
That was crazy.